Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch, you need to do a couple of things. First, you will need to enable the internet connection, so you need to basically connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network. And you can do it in settings, connectivity, and Wi-Fi, and here you can basically connect your watch to a network. And once you have the internet connection, you can go back to settings. Another thing you need to have is the Google account on your watch, and you can check it in the Google option or menu in settings. So if you find Google in settings, tap on it, and here tap on accounts. And right here you have the list of accounts connected to your watch. As you can see, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you can simply tap on Add Google Account, and then tap on this icon right here, and on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see the pop-up to log in, enter the password, and once you do, it will basically connect your watch to the account. And once you have the internet connection and the Google account, we can continue and we can open the Play Store on our watch. So press the crown button, find the Play Store icon, and once you find it, tap on it to open the Play Store. And in the Play Store, you can scroll through the list of apps, different categories, as you can see, so you can browse this. You can also tap on search and look for something more specific by using the voice command or typing in. And once you search or find the app you are interested in, you will see the description of it, and you can tap on the app to open the description page, and here you have screenshots, description, reviews, and stuff like that. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install. And after the application is done installing, you will see this open button basically, and uninstall button as well. You can open the app. Oh, I tapped on it by mistake. Basically, you can tap on open, or if you open the menu on your watch, the app will appear right here or at the bottom of the menu, somewhere in the menu basically. But we have it right here at the top, and you can tap on the icon to open the application. And that's basically how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.